Perfect. Let's print and check. Error?
Yes, an error. Tell me, what's the type of diameter?
It's a number, so integer.
It's not, Theo.
Anything in between quotes is a string for Mr. Python.
Even numbers?
Yep.
And you can't apply math on string.
Then how do we do it?
Well, you can convert it to an integer.
We can?
Yeah, Mr. Python allows us to convert one type to another.
Just like print function, he has other function that lets us do that. To convert anything into integer, use int function. Look.
But don't try to convert string made of alphabets to numbers.
See them. We can't convert them to integer.
Because they won't form valid numbers.
Good point.
Use float functions to convert into float. We call this casting.
Okay. Let's try for radius now. Awesome! Strings, integers, floats, boolean, casting.